Okay, so I just invite everyone to close your eyes or lower your gaze, whatever it is that feels nourishing or supportive, whatever it is that allows you to let go of visual distractions that might be vying for your attention. And as we allow ourselves to land in each now moment, I invite you to shift your attention to the breath, noticing how it moves in and out through the nostrils, noticing how it moves in and out through the lungs, perhaps noticing the rise and fall of your belly or your chest, and simply allowing yourself to settle into this rhythm of in and out, in and out, in and out. And as we continue arriving in each now moment, I invite you to open up to what's possible when you allow yourself to be happy. When you allow yourself the opportunity to truly connect with the body, with the breath. When you allow your body to feel safe, know that you are held from within and without. Allowing yourself the possibility of just dissolving into this care, into this knowing that God is all there is. And then what a gift and blessing it is to have the opportunity to ask, to tune into that intuitive wisdom and presence that is always available, forever accessible, that is fully present in, through, around, and as everyone and everything. And so asking, what is it that wants to happen here? What is it that wants to emerge? And then affirming that whatever it is, we always know it's for our greatest and highest good. That whatever choice we make, no matter how it might feel in the moment, creates opportunity for fuller experiencing and expression of the love we truly are. And so as we continue to practice affirming what it is we want more of, who it is we are at our core and what we're capable of, what a gift and blessing there is in simply allowing ourselves to be opened up, allowing ourselves to be expanded, allowing ourselves to be breathed and lived and loved and known into being. So let us open up to that love, that intuitive wisdom, that knowing for just a few minutes. gently invite you to bring your awareness back to your physical presence. And let us just know that in this moment and all now moments, there is only one thing going on. Call it love, God, Spirit, Source, whatever it is that works for you. And so as we lean into this truth, we are knowing that this love, this presence, this power and profundity is alive and well and active and whirling and swirling and moving and grooving in, through, around, and as all. And as we open up to this knowing, as we allow our hearts, our minds to be fully expanded, what a gift and blessing it is to know who and what we really are. And so as we continue opening up, moment by moment, day by day, relationship by relationship, choice by choice, let us continue opening to the infinite possibilities of who and what we can become. So with such deep gratitude for life and living, with such reverence for this knowingness that love is all there is, I simply release my word as law, calling our time together today good. So I release, I let go, and I bask in this beautiful, infinite, collective flow as together we affirm. And so it is.